host. Hey there, fellow YouTube creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you succeed and grow as content creators. In today's video, we have something truly special lined up for you. We're going to share not just 10, not 20, but a whopping 100 tips and tricks for small YouTube creators like yourselves. So grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss any of these invaluable insights. Transition, dynamic animations and upbeat music. Tip number 1, find your niche host. Starting with tip number 1, it's crucial to find your niche. Discover what you're truly passionate about and let it shine through your content. By narrowing your focus, you'll attract a dedicated and engaged audience. Tip number 10, create eye-catching thumbnails host. Moving on to tip number 10, never underestimate the power of a captivating thumbnail. A visually appealing thumbnail will entice viewers to click on your video, so make sure it's attention-grabbing and accurately represents the content. Tip number 20, engage with your audience host. Tip number 20 is all about building a strong connection with your audience. Respond to comments, engage in conversations, and make your viewers feel heard. Remember, building a loyal community is key to long-term success. Transition, fast-paced B-roll footage of filming equipment. Tip number 30, invest in quality equipment host. Now, let's talk about the importance of investing in quality equipment. While you can start with basic gear, upgrading your camera, microphone, and lighting setup will greatly enhance the overall production value of your videos. Tip number 40, optimize your titles and descriptions host. Moving on to tip number 40, mastering the art of title and description optimization is essential. Use relevant keywords to increase your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting organic traffic to your channel. Tip number 50, collaborate with other YouTubers host. Tip number 50 is all about collaboration. Partnering with other YouTubers in your niche can introduce your channel to a whole new audience. It's a win-win situation and an excellent opportunity for growth. Transition, inspiring footage of content creation process. Tip number 60, consistency is key host. Now, let's discuss tip number 60, which is consistency. Consistently uploading high-quality content on a regular schedule helps build trust with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Remember, YouTube loves consistency too. Tip number 70, use social media to promote your content host. Next up, tip number 70 is about leveraging the power of social media. Share your videos across platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your channel. Tip number 80, analyze your analytics host. As we approach the final stretch, let's not forget about tip number 80, analyzing your analytics. Dive deep into your YouTube analytics to understand what's working, what's not, and tailor your content accordingly. Transition, host holding a piece of paper with tip 100 inches written on it. Tip number 90, collaborate with brands and sponsorships host. We're almost at the finish line, but not before we share tip number 90. Collaborating with brands and sponsorships can provide exciting opportunities for monetization and growth. Just ensure that the partnerships align with your values and resonate with your audience. Tip number 100, never stop learning and evolving host. And finally, for tip number 100, remember to never stop learning and evolving as a creator. Stay updated with the latest trends, techniques, and algorithm changes. Continuously improve your skills to stay ahead of the game. Closing scene, host with a thumbs up gesture. Host, congratulations! You've made it through all 100 tips and tricks for small YouTube creators. I hope you found them helpful and inspiring. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future uploads. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep chasing your YouTube dreams. Take care, and see you soon. Background music fades out as the video ends.